Ready to transform your knowledge into a thriving online course and start making money? First, log into your Stand store and navigate to the Products tab. Click the Add Product button to begin creating your online course product. Since we're creating a course, select Digital Download as the product type. This allows you to upload various course content such as videos, PDFs, and other resources. Now it's time to structure your course. Think of it like building a curriculum. Create sections for broad topics, then modules within each section for specific lessons. Upload your videos, PDFs, templates, or whatever learning materials you have for each lesson. To upload, simply click the Upload area within a lesson and select your video file. You can also add downloadable resources like worksheets or templates by using the Add Resource option below the video upload. Let's talk money in the pricing section. You can set a fixed price for your course, offer payment plans to make it more accessible, or even offer a free trial to entice potential students. Once your course is built and priced, it's time to promote it. Create eye-catching graphics and compelling copy highlighting the value and benefits your course provides. Share it on social media, your email list, and anywhere your target audience hangs out. Finally, make sure your course is easily accessible from your Stand store. Link in bio page. Add a clear call to action like Enroll Now to drive conversions. And that's it. You've just created and launched your own online course on Stand store. Now go out there and share your knowledge with the world.